Role of IT is to maximize platform sharing, data sharing, APIs, web services, all this stuff that makes consistency between the different products, and it's absolutely critical to succeed on the digital transformation. A truly digital business looks like business where there is connectivity, collaboration, capacity to innovate quickly, short time to market, disruption that are completely unpredictable, devices, storage, image, multimedia. This is the world we see coming every day more aggressive to disrupt what we're doing. The priority is clearly to keep, develop, enhance the customer relationship, the quality of personalization, also to face competition and becoming more and more innovative, create conditions for innovation, for cooperation through the digital channels, and also prepare and create awareness for our employees in the way they work, working together, collective intelligence by using what digital technologies can bring, also make their life more funny to a certain extent. The first thing we do is just to listen to the market, understand what's happening, being open, never think that you are isolated, that it's not for you, that there is a mistake somewhere. No, we can be disrupted. We see clearly some very aggressive competitors that are making some value proposition. For instance, we see a self-hubbing coming. It's a hub supported by digital platform somewhere on the cloud. So we need to be ready, understand the mechanism. Also, we should use our strengths and really leverage the strengths we have in this group that are important. Create conditions for collaboration, competition sometimes. And see where we can act together with our alliance partners, with the JV partners, for instance. See where we should mobilize our internal resources to make a difference, but we must be very humble. Also, yes, the disruption can be everywhere. Well, at board level, digitization is prioritized because it's really on the agenda of the CEOs. The three CEOs, so the airline, the two airlines, and the group CEO, have clearly put digital transformation as part of our objectives. We see on a regular basis the plans acting and moving ahead. Also, the budgets are significant. We are spending something like 400 million euro on 3 years to push digitization, and it will be more for sure in the next years. We see also more and more strategic business innovation relying on digital transformation. So it's not just a technology, an incremental technology, it is also affecting the way you work and your core business. And I think for this reason, CEOs are involved, board are involved, COMEX are involved. The challenge is to be sure that everybody is on board, is communication, create awareness, mobilize people, show them the value, create a sense of urgency, but positively, not a sort of burning platform where people would become very quickly afraid and very fragile. No, give them appetite, excitement in the way they use digital things. That puts, by the way, the bar very high. So the level of expectation, the quality we should deliver is very high. Also, we should make people creative, innovative, invent themselves what will be their future. To do that, we develop new ways of working, like agility, for instance. That is a good way of putting people together to create value. The infrastructure to deliver and support digital transformation is connectivity for sure, network, storage, security, ability to manage the data through the big data technologies, manage hybrid cloudification. In a company like Air France-KLM, we have our own data centers historically. How to progressively move towards a software-defined data center and interconnected with hybrid clouds to create facilities from everywhere to share data. Open our system, so open source is also for us very critical. We are also developing device management, the ability to quickly deploy diverse devices, sometimes extremely suited and designed for a specific purpose. So we see new skills everywhere. It's extremely fascinating and exciting at the same time. The last 12 months we have completely developed and managed big data platforms and data lakes, in particular our operational customer platform, that is a customer 360 platform where we store a huge quantity of data related to our customers, giving us the possibility to create on top of that a predictive analysis, inspiring platform. We can also create customization from door to door. So customer journey management toolings, for instance, are extremely important to serve such a business. We are also developing new technologies like Internet of Things for cargo, engineering and maintenance, security. We have decided to improve massively our security assets. Augmented reality in the context of engineering and maintenance is also something we are testing. And progressively we are putting a high priority on artificial intelligence, testing chatbots with call centers, for instance, or vocal browsing, where we'll make some announcements in the next months. So we have diverse initiatives, a lot of pilots, proof of concept, and progressively industrialize the most mature. Well, we have decided to develop and to push and promote agility everywhere. Today we have more than 200 product teams working on different products. Product team, it's approximately 10 people coming from different businesses with different skills, working together to develop, maintain, deploy one product. In spite of the platform, the idea is to develop the minimum viable product to serve a specific business case. The role of IT is to maximize platform sharing, data sharing, APIs, web services, all this stuff that makes consistency between the different products. And agility through product team is a way to put people with different skills and knowledge together that is creating the good condition for collaboration and sharing. And it's absolutely critical to succeed on the digital transformation. Well, the customer experience is, of course, the alpha and omega of our roadmap. We have decided in Trust Together to put a focus on personalization, a door-to-door relationship management, both to promote our products, sell more, market what we do, but also to better serve customers when there are some disruptions or operational difficulties. And to do that, we have a basic component that is operational customer platform, so Customer 360, a certain number of APIs to give access to these customer platforms, and on top of that, a lot of tools to exchange with customers. For instance, on the social network, we consider social network as a fundamental vehicle to create the relationship with customers. But it's not the only one. The call centers also are extremely active. Of course, we are exchanging by mail. We are promoting our mobile applications that are well ranked, by the way, by the industry. So every time there is potentially a channel where we can create customer intimacy, we use it. The last one, but not the least one, is of course the channel we create on board, thanks to the iPad we give to our crew, we create a relationship, and also the fact that aircraft are connected. That is also a way to create customer intimacy. Well, we can be disrupted tomorrow by other platforms like Google, Amazon, or any other. So we should listen carefully to what's happening outside, what has created the success of Airbnb or Uber. And we know that the success comes from collaboration, exchange, platform where you put a certain number of data and you accept the risk to expose your data on an open data platform, but then you give the freedom to the customer to create their own connection. You see, for instance, in the last days, some announcement about self-hubbing, where some companies claim that they would put data on a platform and the customers will organize themselves their connectivity. It's things that we should see, that we should evaluate. So I think one option to face these new platforms is to be more open and of course to work with technological partners. That has to be selected, but certainly not alone. So cybersecurity is one of the top topic on the agenda of our CEO's board COMEX. There is a cybersecurity program managed at my level. A part of it is related to compliancy. And GDPR is one of them for data privacy, but we have other compliances to respect, like for instance in France for vital importance company or company of vital importance, we have to respect a certain number of rules to face cyber attacks. We do it. And we are also create strong awareness. I think that cybersecurity starts with intense employee awareness to understand where are the risks, how they can help us also to face the risk and helping in the global security of the group. Success of digital transformation can be measured directly by the revenue that we are generated through our digital channels. So it's the basic revenue, but also ancillary revenue, services revenue, what we do with other partners in an enlarged vision of the travel industry. It's also the KPIs measuring the quality of what we are delivering, and we are measuring that on a regular basis. It's what the analysts say about us. We know that we are well ranked, number one, by the Citigroup last year. The Group Air France-KLM is number one in the airline industry in Europe. And last but not least, it's also our employees' satisfaction and willingness to use digital devices, applications. The level of expectation and the level of demand is so high that I think that we can measure the success of digitization. Our employees, they want to do more. They want us to do more, clearly.